So here's where we live. All right, here's where we live, and our trip will take us all the way from where we live. So we'll take this road right here and go all the way down. Oh god, I'm lost. What the hell am I? Yeah, so alright, again, we'll do it again. So here's where I live, and we'll take the road to go all the way down here, then pick up my wetsuit, and then take the road to go all the way here to the west coast of France, more exactly Biarritz. To do what? Well, to surf. So we're going all the way here, and we shall be arriving at this time around. We shall be arriving at this place around, I don't know, 5, I believe. And here is where we're gonna sleep, in this small forest. So I placed it down already so we could get easy access with the car. Now the problem is finding a place to stop the car, to park it. But what we intend is to sleep here, somewhere along here, and everything should be good. Now we're looking a place to park the car. Maybe here it's a good place to park it. I really don't know. It really depends of like the situation. Maybe here, look there, it looks like a very nice parking here. So maybe we could park it here and then walk along this road into the forest and sleep somewhere here. And we will do that for 4 days. So it's good. And then we can move a little bit around. So that's great. So right now my room is quite a mess, but we have everything ready to put inside the bag. I've got way more food, so I'll calculate it, everything. We got some coffee, instant coffee. This is mashed potatoes. We got noodles. These things are so heavy. Some tuna, something to eat in the mornings. And then we got everything, our clothes, everything. Our surfboard, it's done, it's fixed, everything is good. So basically we got everything, we got our food and everything. So it's quite great. And my room is quite a mess. So right now what I'm gonna do is gonna prepare everything, put everything inside my bag, get something to eat, and then go and get my friend, and then we heading out from 1 hour 30-minute drive to my parents' house to get my wetsuit. We eat with them, and then 5 hours drive to should tell you something. I'm not gonna put every single food, every single can in my bag because it'll end up being too heavy. And since I have the car, I could leave some food behind. This is most likely to go out camping out in the forest, so I have a couple cans of food. What's taking most of the space right here is the clothes, which I think I'll leave something in the car as well. But apart from that, it's good. We have everything here. We have our surfboard and this bag. This bag is the technical bag in a way. It has my laptop, so when my camera battery, when my camera memory fills, I'll put everything, back it up into the laptop, so that's great. So all the footage, I won't be able to lose it. And right now what is left is to put my Alright, so board, it's in the car, everything is in the back. So right now I'm a bit late. I'm like 7 fucking minutes late, but I have to go and pick up my friend. So yeah, so I'll pick him up, and then we go directly to my parents' house to pick up the wetsuit, eat something, and then 5 hours road to Biarritz. So see you there. Alright, so we just got to his house. We're just waiting for him to come out. I'm gonna show you how I set it up in the back. This is pretty good. I don't know if he has space for his things. Hopefully he does. Nah, I'll leave it open. So yeah, so we heading out. God damn it. Might be good. Hopefully it's good. So right now, I'll prepare the GPS to go home. Yes, I'm here, bro. Alright, now we preparing the GPS. Alright, so after 4 hours and a half of drive, we got here, and now we're looking for like a camping to stay, because why not? And all of them are closed. So the thing is, like, right now we are outside here just trying to see like what could we do, on where could we go. Right now is like 8:40, and worst case scenario, we will sleep in a forest. I found, like, it's not really far from here. It's like 20 minutes from here, so it's okay. We made it. It's fine. Like, all my car, all the back is just full of shit. So right now my friend has went into this place right here to see if there's any place where we could sleep or put our tents, because it's nice and it's not that illegal per se. So just trying to see what's up. So just waiting for him to come and wait for the results. Alright, he's there. Apparently it's good. We'll see what he says. Because I really don't know. Oh, it's good. We have a place.
C'est bon?
We have a place?
Yes!
We have a place!
We have a place.
C'est combien?
32 € la nuit.
32?
Pour deux.
Okay.
Pour nous deux. Ouais. Bah, c'est le prix, hein.
Ok.
Qu'est-ce que t'en penses?
Ouais.
Écoute,
On gare la voiture là-bas?
ouais, je crois que. Ouais, vas-y.
Alright, we put the car over there. Fuck! 36!
Feuille dessus.
32! Oh, motherfucker!
On fait moite-moite du coup?
Yeah.
Bah tiens, les porte-monnaies ils sont au milieu.
Wait. Okay, so I have $10 inside. I have more.
My
Alright, so this is the place.
credit card.
You have a credit card. Nice. Alright, so this is the place, right? Now we have to like pay there. Dude, that
Your
shit.
mask.
Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, that shit looks like a Nazi sign. Alright, I left my mask in the car. Bam, bam, into the room.
Le paquet.
Alright, so.
Faut presser après le cerf.
Alright, let's see what's up. Pas mal. Alright, so we found a spot. Now we're putting the tents up. I need to put mines. Now we put the car lights so we could see something. So yeah. Bro, I cannot see.
Huh?
I cannot see.
Why?
Because the GoPro is so shit. Alright. Alright, so right now we have settled everything. And oh god, I don't see anything. We are gonna cook some pasta and oh god. And yeah, so for tonight is good. We'll see tomorrow morning. See ya.